After the Indian military's command became aware of the reluctance its soldiers displayed in fighting China on the border in Doklam, the country's military intelligence was tasked to gauge current status of motivation amongst personnel of its military. In a shocking report submitted by the Indian military intelligence to the military command, it has been revealed that motivation in the Indian military is at an all-time low. The report specifies 5 main causes of demoralization against soldiers and officers of all 3 armed forces. Discrimination between soldiers and officers on basis of religion, the Hindu caste system, scarcity of facilities, substandard food, increase in cases of sexual violence, and severe manhandling of soldiers by superior officers makes it the top reasons as revealed in an alleged leaked letter of the Indian military intelligence presently making rounds on the internet. A variety of news reports from the Indian media indicate that over the years, personnel of Indian armed forces have remained involved in cases of sexual violence. Government statistics also indicate that the trend of suicide among And then a 3-star general molested a junior officer's wife during an official trip to Israel, while in other incidents the Indian Army sacked a few 1-star and 2-star generals for involvement in cases of sexual abuse. An army that has expansionist designs in the region and is sitting on a nuclear weapon is suffering from the plague of religious discrimination and caste system, is enough reason for the West to be worried about.